What's up, traders? Just a quick public service announcement from the dark side. Some realistic expectations. Because, guys, at this point, you've probably followed our channel for some time, our Telegram, and you see what we do practically on a daily basis. You see the rockets, you see the big pushes, the aggressive moves that we catch, and I mean, I don't know how long we've even had our Telegram, but it's been around for a couple of years. You can scroll back to day one and you'll see those same results coming through. But what I want you guys to understand, right, is that these things didn't happen overnight. The one thing about Forex, man, it's a journey and it's going to take some real dedication, some real effort. There's nothing fast about this, especially when you're trading the silly concepts that are getting passed around on a daily basis, especially when you're seeing perfect higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, break of structure, perfect 4 hour imbalance, perfect 4 hour order block, price taps 50% of it to the pip, especially when you're seeing all these things happen and you're putting your money on it and it's going wrong. Because then the question becomes, you start asking yourself, what am I, stupid? Why can't I do this? Why can't I do everybody else is doing it? Everybody, my mentor is doing it. The girl in the bathing suit that sells signals, she's doing it. The guy that worked for Barclays that for some reason quit and now wants to tell everybody about a footprint, he's doing it. Everybody's doing it, but you can't do it, right? But not everybody is doing it, guys. They're not. They're really not. That's why you see the statistics. 95% of traders fail. You see the statistics on the prop firms. Less than 1% of people are getting paid in the prop firms. Now think about that, guys. Is everybody just that stupid that they can't understand smart money? Is that what it is? Or they can't understand support and resistance? Or they can't understand supply and demand? Or they just can't figure out what Elliott wave is? I don't think so. Because remember who makes up that 95%. It's not just the little kids on Instagram that are now the traders. It's also the people who've been around for a while, the doctors, the attorneys, the entrepreneurs, the people with real money who also can't get a grasp of what's going on. But yet you have a little team like the dark side, little team, tiny. We have 100 members max on our team, 2,500 on YouTube, a little team, and yet we've been doing this every day for years. For years. Do we take losses? Absolutely, we take losses. But we understand the way losses work. Losses are no different than getting punched in a boxing match. That's part of the game, right? Completely part of the game. But it's who win the fight at the end. That's what's important, right? And if you're fighting like this, guys, like everybody else doing this, you see what happens. This just ain't it. You see what happens. You see what they're doing. I tell you to make your stops bigger. That might help you win more, but at the same time, guys, you see what's happening. And then you also see what's happening on our side. There's no Lamborghinis, no screenshots of money, no signals, because we're actually doing this, guys. There's two different sides to the Forex market. There's trading the Forex market, and then there's Forex marketing. Okay, the marketing is what's popular right now. So just be careful, man. We'll talk to you soon.